The ABIT BP6 is an ATX motherboard released by ABIT in 1999. It was the first motherboard to allow the use of two unmodified Intel Celeron processors in dual symmetric multiprocessing, or SMP, configuration. This, combined with its overclocking capabilities, made it a popular option among computer enthusiasts. The BP6 has been credited as the product that made multiprocessor systems affordable for mainstream users, because prior to its release, the expense of any multiprocessor configuration made it a feature only to be considered for workstation-class systems. The BP6 was based on the Intel Seattle 440BX chipset, consisting of the 82443BX North Bridge and the 82371AB South Bridge. Processors that are supported by the BP6 in SMP configuration are the PPGA Socket 370 Celeron processors at between 300 and 533 MHz. Later Pentium 3 and Celeron Coppermine models can also operate on the BP6, albeit only in single processor configuration with the use of aftermarket socket adapters. Intel never intended the Celeron to be able to operate in SMP, and later generation Celeron processors had their SMP interface disabled, restricting the feature to the higher-end Pentium 3 and Xeon product lines. The motherboard also features two extra hard drive ports, one with the HPT366 Ultra DMA66 adapter fitted on the main board itself. This allows up to 8 IDE-compatible drives to operate at the interface's maximum speed. The motherboard features the ABIT soft menu, a BIOS extension which allows for jumperless adjustment of system parameters such as system bus speed, CPU and AGP bridge multipliers, voltages from inside the BIOS, and PC99 coloring. The BP6 and many other of ABIT's motherboards produced between 1999 and 2005 were victims of the capacitor plague. Specifications. The motherboard features two Socket 370 CPU sockets and an i440BX chipset, as well as one AGP, 5 PCI, and 2 ISA slots. It also features 3 DIMM slots which support a maximum of 768 MB of SD RAM. It also supports up to 4 Ultra ATA66 and 4 Ultra ATA33 devices, and contains 2 USB 1.1 ports, 2 RS-232 ports, and 1 parallel port.